25 style hacks every woman needs. Have you ever found yourself staring at your wardrobe for quite some time? You need to get dressed and get going, but you're not liking the look of anything and you're lacking motivation. Or maybe your favorite outfit needs washing. Whatever it is, you know you're not going to like anything you finally put on. Some women have fashion problems, and no matter what they wear, it just never seems to sing. You might be fortunate enough to be an expert at mix and match, but even then it can still sometimes be a struggle. So here to help are 25 style hacks that every woman needs. Number 1. Invest in a more versatile wardrobe. One of the main style hacks you need is knowing to buy quality clothes that will last much longer, both in terms of taste and wear. You can have a timeless wardrobe and save money if you know what you should wear. Regardless of your body shape, age, or style, every woman should have a few essential pieces. These include a black dress, blue and black jeans, and a classic white t-shirt. Number 2. Combine casual with formal outfits. You may see fashionistas and designers combining casual outfits with something more formal. For example, you can match your ripped sequin shirt with a pair of sneakers for a gorgeous look. Add sunglasses and maybe a leather bracelet. Now you're good to go. Number 3. Invest in good bras and undies. For a perfect style, the right bra that fits well is an absolute must. Regardless of how expensive your clothes are, you'll never feel and look good if you don't have a good fitting bra and underwear. The wrong bra will make you look bulkier, affect your posture, and ultimately your confidence. Number 4. Keep a pair of good jackets. Ideally, your wardrobe should include these jackets: a denim jacket, a tweed jacket, a classic trench coat, a black tailored blazer, a leather jacket, and a bright colored overcoat. Wearing a nice jacket combined with a t-shirt and jeans will make you look effortlessly stylish and chic. A good jacket adds a strong shoulder line to your silhouette, which in turn makes your outfit look more tailored and expensive. Number 5. Have several top options for each bottom. They say that it's the top that makes an outfit look new and different. If you mix and match the same bottom with different tops, you'll have endless possibilities and options. It's a good idea then to have lots of tops in your wardrobe to change up the look of your skirts and pants. Number 6. Shop in the right store. Your outfits should be appropriate for your age, status, and the peculiarities of your body. Choose the best designs that work for you. Younger women can opt for outfits that are not too expensive, while women in their mid-30s might consider more expensive brands that use high-quality fabrics. Number 7. Own more than one white shirt. Who doesn't love a white shirt? Make sure you have a couple of them so that you can wear them in rotation. If you wear it over and over again, all the washing is going to eventually cause issues. Number 8. Mix color combinations. People usually notice the color of your outfit before paying attention to your style choice and body type. If you're thinking about changing your style but haven't got a fortune to spend on doing it, then a good place to start is by mixing exciting and unexpected color combinations. Number 9. Wash your clothes the right way. The proper cleaning method is important because different materials have different laundry needs. Washing clothes in the right way will keep them looking fresh and in good repair. For example, you can't use regular chlorine bleach on colored garments, and not all fabrics can be washed using a washing machine. Some items, such as silk blouses, lingerie, and wool sweaters, may need to be hand-washed. Number 10. Don't buy clothes or pants that don't fit. When you see something you really like, but the store doesn't have it in your size, as tempting as it may be, don't buy it. Trying to convince yourself that one day it will fit or you'll slim down into it is rarely a strategy that works. Just look for something else that actually fits. If you don't have time to try on a pair of jeans, you can try wrapping the jeans waist around your neck. They will most likely fit if you can touch the two ends together around your neck. Number 11. Get rid of stains. Once in a while, you may have a red wine stain on your clothes. To get rid of it, use club soda on the stain and blot with a towel. Then wash the item. Don't dry clean. Repeat until the stain is gone. If your clothes are stained from deodorant, you can get rid of the stains by applying a mixture of hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and water to affected areas. Number 12. Choose the right color underwear for light-colored outfits. Some fashion experts would advise you to wear white underwear with white or light-colored, but nude underwear will always be a better choice because it blends with your skin. You can choose actual nude, brown, light pink, or beige. Make sure you check yourself in bright lighting before heading out just to make sure the fabric isn't see-through. Number 13. The double-sided tape hack. When wearing blouses, some women may experience a gap between buttons. To fix this problem, you can use permanent double-sided tape. Don't use removable double-sided tape because it won't hold very well. Just place the tape between the gap buttons. Make sure you remove the tape before washing it. Number 14. Avoid fading dark jeans. When you really love an outfit, like dark jeans, you want to wear it regularly, but the color can fade with too much washing. To maintain the color, you can add half a cup of distilled vinegar to the last washing cycle. Number 15. How to wash soft sweaters. Winter is coming! Time to wear your favorite cashmere sweater for your day ahead. Wearing them very often means they'll need to be washed regularly. To maintain the fabric, use baby shampoo to wash your soft sweaters. Number 16. Blend different styles. A tasteful mixture of contrasting colors, different styles, and various types of fabrics can give you the coolest look. Try adding some navy, military, and safari elements to your outfit for a cool style. Sporty accessories and details can make the entire outfit look youthful and dynamic. Number 17. Beware of the sale. Who doesn't love a bargain, especially during the sale season on your favorite brands? But remember, just because your favorite shoes or bags are on sale, it doesn't mean you need them. Shop smartly and think twice before reaching for the plastic. Number 18. Handle your bags and shoes with care. Do you have some designer handbags and shoes in your wardrobe? These items need special care to maintain their lifespan. You should treat them like a baby. Always store them properly in dust bags or boxes. Plus, never take them out in the rain. Number 19. Keep your clothes fresh. Don't have time to do your laundry? It sometimes happens when your schedule is crazy busy. It doesn't mean, though, that you can't keep your clothes fresh. Simply spray a little vodka and water on whatever you plan to wear and let it dry. It helps get rid of any odors and leaves your clothes smelling fresh. Number 20. Wear a tank for a slimmer look. Love wearing a shirt and sweater, but it makes your midsection look dull? You can wear a tank between a shirt and a sweater. It will hide bunched up fabric, plus no button outlines. Number 21. Buy things in several colors. Found a nice pair of pants that you really like? A t-shirt that looks great on you? A bra that fits just fine? Don't just pick one, but get them in several colors. It's never a sin to collect the wardrobe staples that suit you. Number 22. The power of a scarf. It's a small thing, but never underestimate the power of a scarf. Add a scarf when you're wearing your basic t-shirt. It will transform your entire look. Quick, simple, and easy. Number 23. Perfect rolled sleeves. You may not be overly satisfied with the result when you're trying to roll your sleeves. Try this trick for a perfect-looking one. First, unbutton your shirt sleeves, then keep folding them up until the bottom of the shirt's cuff is right above your elbow. For the last touch, roll and fold over the shirt sleeves. Leave a bit of the cuff exposed to give that effortless look. Number 24. Salvaging your old shoes. Got scuffs on your favorite shoes, but you still love them? Don't throw them away. Grab your nail polish and apply to the scuffs on your shoes. Your shoes are ready to wear once again. Number 25. Use moisturizer to remove scratches on your boots. Your favorite boots have done their job during the winter. Now spring is coming and it's time to put them away. Always check your boots for any scratches before storing them. If they are looking a bit scuffed, you can revive them with a tiny bit of moisturizer. They will be there for you when winter rolls around again. The hacks that work for everyone. Enjoyed our 25 style hacks that every woman needs? Here's one final thought for you. Keep your wardrobe stocked up on the basics that will last for a long time and accessorize for an on-point, up-to-date look. With all these tricks, you're ready to rock your everyday look like never before.